Hello, I am the last supervivent and we are in the jove excursion with the other people of the group. The excursion is really interesting. And what's up, Miguel? Are you okay? Yes? It's a small stone. Yes. No problem. We can go. Okay? Yes. Go here. We are watching now the coronation of the King Garza in Tobar. A typical animal of Tobar is the Surus e Mencharus sacus. I am rated os moscas cojoneras. This is an infern. At the end, we arrived to the medieval bridge again. Well, here, look.